back to my channel. I'm vlogging today. I don't know what I'm gonna be doing, but I really missed, vlogging, and I want to get back into it. I stopped vlogging because I think I just I don't know. I just felt like there wasn't much interesting that was happening in my life. So I figured let me not. But anyway, oh, a quick update. I graduated. So exciting. Yeah, I hold a Bachelor of Fine Arts degree in theater. Super excited about that. That was, y'all know how much school has just been like a lot for me. Guys, I'm tired. School has just been a lot for me. So I'm excited that it's done. It's been a relatively easy transition from being a student to being, just stepping into the real world. I started my Herbalife business, which is going pretty well. Still really new to it. Still kind of like, getting the hang of it and such. But yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. I'm also still pursuing, obviously I still want to use my qualification, so I'm definitely still working on that. And I'm also going to be working a lot more on my YouTube. I feel like I've just neglected my YouTube channel, and I've just been so by the way, Guyana. So I just feel like maybe it's about time that Miguel starts to, get serious with this. I'm considering changing things around just so that, I don't get bored of making content for my YouTube channel, and also you guys also don't get bored of the channel and whatever. So yeah, uh, I'm just gonna try out new things, try out a few things, try out, just see how things go, and then yeah, we'll see how that goes. Please remember to follow me on Instagram because I regularly seek suggestions for like topics or types of videos that you guys want to see, and I'm more active on my Instagram than any other social media platform. So follow me on Instagram. It's Mumsie, but the link is also in the description box, so follow me there and keep up with my life and all of that stuff, and just interact with me. I'm a lot more interactive and a lot more active on Instagram than I am on any other platform. So if you want to get in touch with me, or you want to just, find out what's going on in my life, or, anything Halanje, you can definitely find me on my Instagram. So do that. So anyway, I'm going to just continue watching this. A friend of mine wants me to watch the rugby game with him. The rugby final. I'm not into rugby, you guys, but yeah, I'll see if it's if I can't, I really can't. And yeah, I'll give it a try for like 5 minutes, and if in those 5 minutes I do not even understand what's going on, or I don't even feel it, guys, nah, you'll have to forgive me. I can't do it. But anyway, guys, I'll check in with you guys later, and yeah, I hope you're having a good weekend and you're having a good day, or whenever it is that you are watching this. I hope that you are happy, that you are having a fantastic day, that you are right? Okay, talk to you later. So this is rugby, man, and I have no idea what is it. Okay, so I just tuned in. It was at 3-3. Now it's at 3-6. Guys, I've never been more confused about a sport in my life. I don't even know what's going on. I don't understand what's happening. Like, how does rugby work? Can someone please explain to me how it works? Like, okay, I guess they're winning. Like, okay. I get it, guys. Like, is it Hey guys, now I'm confused. I'm so confused. The things we do to support people. Nah, not the hell, guys. Nah, I don't understand. Remember, I said I'm just gonna wait like 5 minutes. It's already been 2 minutes, and I'm very confused. So, okay. Obviously, I'm supporting South Africa. Like, it's obvious. Like, if I had to choose, I would obviously have to support South Africa in this case. Um, okay. So you see that it's the first half. It's been 27 minutes. England has 3. SA has 6. They are tackling each other again. Guys. Guys. I'm confused, eh? I'm so confused. I don't understand. Imagine. Guys, I cannot imagine ever dating a guy that is into rugby or plays rugby. Because I feel like I would be so scared for his life. Like, like, head injuries and such. And guys, it's just so violent and so. There's a lot of aggression. Ay. Anyway, I have 2 more minutes. And then after these 2 minutes, I'm gonna just have to call my guy and be like, Born, nah, I tried. I really did try. Well, they won, guys. I mean, who would have thought that your girl would be out here watching an entire, like, rugby game on a Saturday afternoon? Fam, I did that. Wow. Okay. So I'm having my, I guess I can call it my lunch slash snack. This is the Herbalife Express bar, Formula One Express bar. This is what I'm gonna be snacking on, and then in here I have water, some multi-fiber tea, and aloe. This fat flush mainly for burning belly fat. Ingredients steady thing. They are for energy. They increase energy. They boost your metabolism. They like I said, burn unnecessary fat, and they just also just they give you energy. They make you feel better. They help you to become a bit more regular. That's how the belly fat is lost, because I can you're becoming more regular because of the multi-fiber. And yeah, so I don't take this often. I only take it only once in a while, like once in a while. I usually have my multi-fiber inside my shake, and that's that. But this time I just wanted to just do that once off kind of low-key detox, low-key, yeah, just so that we can stay regular, right? So yeah, I want you to understand that Herbalife is not it's not a diet. And by the way, this was not really the plan, but like I'm vlogging my day, so this is part of my day. It's not a diet, it's a lifestyle. So when you take these products, I like to encourage the people that I introduce these products to. I like to encourage them to just not put too much pressure on themselves. At the end of the day, it's your lifestyle. At the end of the day, it's your life, and it's what you feel you need to do to get healthy. Have fun with it. Just do what you feel, what your body needs. Listen to your body. Pay attention to your body. Pay attention to how what your body's telling you. Pay close attention to that, and then work on that. And then this is basically like, we call it a shake in a bar, because it's basically like a shake. It's just in bar form. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna have right now. Because I'm really not hungry. My appetite has been really weird and really off of late. So yeah, I don't know. But I'm just gonna have this. This will be enough as a snack for now, and then we'll have something to eat later. And now I'm just gonna go back and watch my show. I'm gonna watch Behind the Story. Now that the game is done and I've done what I've what I had to do, I have fulfilled my duties and my obligations and my responsibilities, and now I can carry on with regular programming. All right, so it is a little after 3 now. I figured I should start editing this vlog. So yeah, in case you guys were curious about how I edit my videos, I use Movie Maker and then I just export it onto Wondershare Filmora, and then I do the final bit on that. So on with Movie Maker, I just do the basics, like the basic editing, and then I do other things and I experiment with other things on Filmora. This is Wondershare Filmora. So this is what I'm sorry guys if my voice sounds a bit offish, but I don't know what's wrong with it nowadays. It just sounds very raspy and I don't know what is wrong. Okay, so this is my, which video is this? Life is all a mind game. Imagine if you video. So decide, you know what, girl, I didn't need you to like make noise and J. I'm just showing the peoples. So yeah, I just kind of go on here and I just play around with it and see what other effects I can add to my video, and then that's pretty much it. And then from there I'll then export, and then when I do that it will take me there. See my reflection, it'll take me there, and then I'll just export, and then it will make the file smaller. So yeah, that's pretty much the software that I use. So yeah, I'm just gonna edit this video, start editing it, and then I'll check in later. I'll probably just check in really like much later in the day, just to like close off the wow, to close off the vlog. And then yeah, it's a pretty chill day. Hello guys, it is the next day. As you will see from the clip, I went to church today. It's a Sunday. I went to church. It's like 1:30 right now. I have to be back at church at 3. But yeah, I just thought I should check in and actually end the vlog here, because I don't think I'm gonna vlog anymore for today, since I didn't end the vlog Maabani, since I didn't end the vlog yesterday, sorry, I figured let me just continue until now. So yeah, I'll be going back to church at, well, actually I have to be at church at 3. I have a meeting at 3. I actually have rehearsal at 3. So I just wanted to end the vlog here, guys. I hope that you've enjoyed the vlog. We'll see you in my next video. If you haven't already, please do click the subscribe button. I would love to have you as part of this amazing family. And feel free to comment below and let me know how you're doing, how you've been, what are the new things that have been happening in your life. I love to hear just, where we're going in life. So yeah, comment below, like to let me know that you actually did enjoy the video, and share this video so that other people can also come through and join our family, and we can all just kind of be like cool kids together and whatever, and it's all good. Oh, actually, before I end the vlog, let me just quickly show you guys what I'm wearing. So I put my hair up and put this little afro bun thing. This is actually a saving grace. I actually love it. And then I wore this dress. This morning. And yeah, this morning I had heels on actually in the morning, because I was serving. So yeah, I wore heels, but now I am wearing my all-stars, all-star, wow, my superstar sneakers. And I changed my earrings as well. I was wearing studs, or are they really studs? They're like these little like pearly kind of earrings, because I was trying to look a bit more formal and cute and whatever. So this time, because it's evening service, I'm just kind of like dressing this dress down. And yeah, sorry guys, I'm really tired. My arm is tired, so excuse me for the angle. But yeah, that's my outfit for the rest of the day. And yeah, anyway, let me start blabbing. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next vlog or video. Bye guys.